Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Sachin Wankhede, and on behalf of Simca, a very warm welcome to one and all for today's webinar on how do you uplift your career amidst coronavirus outbreak. For this webinar, we have with us Dr. Anamika Singh, Madam, Director Simca, as a keynote speaker, esteemed speakers, panelists, moderators who are our own alumni, as rightly said by Madam, they all are our brand ambassadors. I welcome Kaustubh Patil, Mr. Deepak Chavan, who are from Active SciTech Communications Private Limited, Mr. Praveen Singh Sikarwar, New Age Entrepreneur, Director at Sikarwar Ventures, Ms. Neha Ambore, Assistant Trade Marketing Manager from Beam Suntory, India. Friends, as rightly said, time has come to learn to lead through uncertainty. As we start facing the new post-COVID-19 reality, the world will need new leaders who can step up and adapt to the changing business landscape. Now we all will have to assess the far-reaching impact of the crisis, make tough decisions, and emerge stronger than ever. One need to be prepared to navigate and thrive a new normal, and there is no better time than to do it right now. Considering all these facts, Simca has started conducting series of online webinars for all our students with the help of professional experts, alumni like Kaustubh, Deepak, Praveen, Sneha. They all are helping us to develop managerial and leadership skill sets and help our students to position themselves as a resilient leader that only organization will need today. Simca relentlessly strive to reimagine business education and offer favorable environment for learning, be it academically or year-long academic extracurricular activities. That opens the door for immeasurable career opportunities for all our students. There are benefits from lifelong learning and networking. Through Simca Saturday Alumni Forum, we want our students to get connected with over 7,000 plus Simca alumni spread across the world and build contacts that can be leveraged personally and professionally in this coronavirus pandemic or crisis situation. I must appreciate Kaustubh, Deepak for their initiative called Rise Up, a webinar series under Market Pro, which is designed to support students and make them ready for the new normal during and post COVID-19. They both are working professionals with having more than 10 years of industry experience and doing this out of their passion for students' career growth and development. We highly appreciate your initiative and efforts taken by both of you and along with other alumni of Simca and Sinhagad Institutes. You being our brand ambassadors, we are really proud of you. Now, before you start, I just want to mention few of our recent achievements and activities which are been happening at Simca. The foremost important thing is that Simca has been accredited by NAC with A grade, the only institute amongst all Sinhagad group of management institutions in 2019 under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Anamika Singh Madam, Director Simca. There are n number of activities we had been conducting regularly, but I would like to put light upon the activities which we are been conducting during this lockdown or post pandemic, during this pandemic crisis. We had been conducting various webinars, online webinars, workshops, seminars for all our students. All our faculties are taking enormous efforts to conduct online training sessions and regular academic sessions through various technological platforms for all our students. So we are doing all possible things for all our students to support them, to help them during this lockdown period, and we will continue this efforts throughout with the help of all our faculty members and with the help of our alumni. So that is all from my side, and thank you very much, Kaustubh and Deepak again. And the session is over to you, Kaustubh.